Alright, so let's take a complete look at everything that you get with the Creator Combo. And believe it or not, all of this stuff fits inside the bag that they include, which is really awesome. So starting off is the Pocket 3 itself. This is such an amazingly small device, but very powerful. I'm still really impressed with everything they were able to do with this device. And so the first two accessories are extensions of that. So this right here actually goes in the bottom, but it also has a thread where you could use this included tripod right here, which is really nice, or any other tripod device. And this will work with any other standard camera accessories in this thread. And then we have one that will extend it even further, but it's also an additional battery pack, which is really, really nice, especially if you're going to be traveling or you're going to be out and about and you want to make sure you have enough juice to get it from the DJI itself, but also from this battery pack. And it also has a thread at the bottom. And then we have the really awesome DJI Wireless Mic 2. This alone is, I would say, an awesome accessory to have, even without this, but the fact that they include it with the Creator Combo is really a great combination. And then we have to have the case itself, and I'll show you how really great this case is in terms of design and functionality. But then there were some other pretty big things that I missed whenever I did the unboxing. The first is this right here. This is actually a magnet that goes right here, and it's a really powerful magnet that you could actually use to put this on some metallic surfaces. That is handy. And also, this is a big thing that I missed. It actually comes with this wide angle lens, and if you go here, you could actually put that on the device itself. There's like a little magnet there. And there are other lenses that you can use with the Pocket 3, so really useful. And then here we have a USB to USB cable. Just use it with any other standard charger that you already have. And then finally we have a wrist strap. And this wrist strap is special because, let me tell you, this is the worst wrist strap design that I've ever seen. And it's not the wrist strap that's a problem, but getting it in, it is a nightmare. So I've tried so many times to try to thread this through. And I've seen some videos where people use a needle to get that through, but I don't know if this was by design, but it is absolutely a horrible wrist strap design. And I think for this device, I really feel that you should use a wrist strap, because even though it's easy to grip, it's also easy to accidentally drop this. And so I'm gonna have to spend more time on this, but if DJI, you're watching, please fix this. This is something simple, but you made it so hard, and God, it's just a horrible design. Okay, so after about nearly 40 minutes of playing around, I was finally able to thread this through, but it took me so long. I had to push this so hard that some of the plastic here is showing. I don't know if you could see that, but this is such a poor design. And wow, I can't tell you how frustrating it is to actually do that, but I was finally able to get this through. And honestly, I do not have any good advice on this except to keep trying, be patient, and you're probably going to run into the same situation I did where the plastic is showing outside. But anyways, I finally got this stupid wrist strap through, but now I could actually use it and secure my device. There it is. Stupid wrist strap, but I don't know if you could see that, but the plastic is now showing here outside of it. But anyways, I think it's worth the time for you to get this wrist strap on here, just in case, so then you don't accidentally drop your brand new Pocket 3. And then I did want to show you more of this protective case. I think it's a really nice design. So the first thing is, there are spots for these lenses that I showed you a little bit earlier. So they are magnetized, so you could put it there, and that works. And then if you had another lens, you could put that here as well. And then all you have to do is just flip this around, so the screen is going to go this way, so then it protects it. And there it goes. It snaps on. Nice protective case. And also, this is a really nice feature with your DJI Mic 2. Just put this here in the clamp and push it in, and there it is. And you can even use it like this as well if you just wanted to use the microphone. But I really do like this case. Not only does it protect your device, but it's actually really functional and I do like it. So now that you've seen everything, I'm going to put all of this back into this travel case, and believe it or not, all of this will actually fit in here, even though it doesn't look like it at the beginning. So let's go ahead and put everything back in here. Okay, so that took a little bit, but as you can see, everything's packed in there. And then once you do that, you go ahead and just zip this up. And there you go. There is your travel bag with everything inside. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.